Folks, today is just a very quick one because I just want to introduce to you one of my favorite plants, and it's this one. Any guesses? If you said cryptocorn, you are wrong, but understandably so. This is one of my favorite plants because it is very much like a cryptocorn in that it's got long sort of stems and elongated leaves. Now this is Cryptocorn eusterania, my favorite crypt, but this is Anubias variant glabra, which means that you can have the cryptocorn sort of look, but you don't have to have gravel. If you've got sand like I have, or you need to be able to catch fish on a regular basis like we do out of the breeding tanks, that means that you can attach this to a piece of wood like this because it's an epiphyte and just remove it and replace it anytime you like. It also means that you can move it around whenever you like. It also means that you don't suffer the dreaded crypt melt when you just use Anubias. This then is what we're going to use. Why do I like it? It means that you can use different textures all with the ease of Anubias. So this one here is coin leaf, and that's got a much more normal barterized sort of round leaf to it. This is coin leaf. There's a mini coin, there's also gold coin, you know, there's 1,000 different types of Anubias, and they generally all look the same. But when you get your glabra, you get height, you get totally different leaf structure, and just look at the textures that you can achieve. Completely different. Now there's another one which is a favorite of mine, which is very much like this, but it's got kind of sharp hearts, almost like arrowhead leaves, and that one is gracilis. Now we've used that one in the past in a lot of breeding tanks, but today we're just going to stick with glabra because, well, I wanted something different. We're going to team it up, so I've just grabbed a couple of these off the shelf with the Microsorum narrow, which is your narrow leaf Java fern. So we're going to team it up with a couple of those. We're going to put those high up, make them, we're going to use both even though they're quite big, to make a nice dense raised area, because one of the corners of the tank is quite dark, so the bright green will help bring that out. And then we're going to use these attached to this to bring some sort of color to the background.